In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to level up on Steam Mobile. If you want to gain Steam levels from your phone, the most important thing to understand is that not every account can start earning experience right away. Before anything else, check your account status. To earn any XP at all, your Steam account needs to be unlimited. In simple terms, that means the account must have spent at least $5 on Steam. Once that requirement is met, community features are unlocked, including the ability to properly earn experience through badges. If your account is still limited, your XP will remain at 0 no matter what else you try, so it's a good idea to confirm this first before spending time on the next part. Once your account is eligible, the fastest way to level up on Steam Mobile is by crafting trading card badges. Trading cards are virtual items that usually drop while you play certain games, and when you collect a complete set, you can turn that set into a badge for XP. Start by opening the Steam app and tapping your profile. From there, go to the Badges section. This area shows your available badge sets and also helps you see which collections are incomplete. Take a moment to look through and identify the sets that are only missing 1 or 2 cards, since those are often the quickest to finish. Next, tap Market to buy any missing cards directly from other players. This can save a lot of time compared to waiting for random drops. As you do this, keep an eye on what you still need, so you don't accidentally buy duplicates. When you've completed a full set, tap Craft Badge. Each badge you craft gives you 100 XP, which helps increase your Steam level. If you want to level up efficiently, repeat this process with additional card sets. That's the core method, and it's by far the fastest way to gain XP on Steam Mobile.